Hi, I'm Lori Allred. Welcome to Inspired by Pinterest, where I browse around Pinterest looking for amazing ideas from crafters and bloggers from around the world and bring them to life each week in an episode. Today, you might get kind of a hint of what I'm going to be talking about. Of course, it's that magical place we all love as children and love to take our children to. So I thought it would be really fun to focus on some fun DIY ideas for Disney and Mickey Mouse and those type of things. We have all seen it. You know, here on the channel, we have an amazing party idea episode from Kara's Party Ideas. You need to go check that out. But I am super excited to talk about this today. So first, let's go ahead and start at my pin board called Disneyland and Mickey Mouse DIY. And then let's talk about a few of the ideas that I found in there. The first one is one called Disney Dollars. Now, I actually did this when we went to Disneyland. So basically what it is an earning program so that my kids could do chores and different things to earn basically tickets towards money to spend at Disneyland, because we were on a really tight budget back then. So I created this cute little Disney dollar chart, and as you'll see, it has different homework, how much different things are worth, and then a little tab flips up and has some more ideas for my kids on what they can do to earn money. Then they just need to go into this cute little pocket, pull out one of the dollars. Now these have darling little pictures on them of each of my kids from when we did go to Disneyland. So I've got, you know, Emma and Christian on the dollars. So they have to find the one that's theirs when they've earned it, and then they just drop it into the pocket down here that's theirs. There's one for Christian and one for Emma. So as they earn them, and then we'll cash out before we get to Disneyland. Love doing this. My kids were super excited. When we went the first time, my kids were 5 and 7, and this was just a great thing to do for that age group. And then to create those cute little pictures on here, I used my zinc happy printer and did these cute little stickers that I could just put on whatever surface I wanted to. And all of these cute products I'm going to talk about here in a minute are from Simple Stories, a line they have that's called Say Cheese. So the next idea is another one from the blog is familyeverafterblog.com, and she does another version of the Disney dollars and cute little buckets and tickets. She even has a download that you can do for free. Now, of course, whenever I'm prepping for an episode, I run out of ink, but you kind of get the idea. So you can print them off on cardstock, cut them apart, and you have your own little Disney dollars to put together for your kids. So the next idea is just some really fun. Another thing I did with my kids is, again, I was trying to stay within a budget, so I tried to pre-purchase or pre-make whatever I could in advance. So the other thing I tried to do was autograph books in advance, because buying them at the park is very expensive. So I created some for each of my kids to have to go around and do their autographs. Now I did absolutely love this 4x6 little mini album that Simple Stories created that just says Magic Moments. And how cute would this be to go through and have autographs put right in here? And then what I love is they've also put these little sleeves right inside so you can tuck a picture of say your kid getting the autograph. I have a few of those, one with Hook and one with some of the other characters, and they just have them autograph on the page next to it. I just loved how this is already put together, makes it super simple, and I thought it'd be cute to add some ribbon and maybe personalize a little bit with each of the kids' names. So, really easy to do that. I think these retail for about $6 or $7, much cheaper than you would pay to purchase a licensed autograph book. So the next idea, of course, we talked about countdowns. My kids wanted to count down to when we were leaving. I know a lot of people surprise their kids, but I had a lot of fun. So the first blog I went to was called graylustergirl.com, and she created this really cute paper chain. So they just rip off each of the papers as each day goes by to kind of count down, and it gets shorter and shorter. And I just simply created this by going to my Silhouette and creating my own cut pattern. Now she does have a template you can print off and cut by hand. So I just took a strip and added 2 circles to it, welded them together to create my own strips, and then easy as adding a stapler. Now the trick is bend the ears out, and then you've got your own little Mickey. So just create your own paper chain. Your kids can even help you make that. How fun was that? And then I just created the header from this pre-made paper from Simple Stories, made it super simple. And then I thought this would be a really fun idea. Since chalkboards are so popular, I actually created the layout within underneath the glass, and then just glued a piece of ribbon here for my chalk. And then I cut this from chalkboard vinyl or the chalkboard paper that we've sold here on the channel before, and just to have them count down the day each day. And I leave this in a spot where your kids can get to it each day and let them keep track of the days as they count down to the big fun vacation. And then just another quick sample. You know, I think scrapbooking Disney was probably the hardest thing for me because I was looking for the perfect products, and I was super excited about this line when it came out that I might redo my pictures, but don't tell anybody because I know you're not supposed to redo your scrapbook pictures. But look how fun and cute, just cover one of these cute 6x8 albums, snap albums, and I love that it was already red. And then, you know, with the sheet protectors, I just took some of the cards from the line and I have them kind of housed in there, so when I get ready to start adding my pictures, I can kind of rearrange everything. It makes it super easy. This will be fun to throw together. In fact, I think I might need another trip soon to Disney. So be sure to check out my blog to find out more information about the pins I referenced today. And then also I'll have links to the Simple Stories product line and the different things that they offer and ideas they have on their blog on my blog, allreddesign.net. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next week.